Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country on Amazon app. It's really simple and easy. So perhaps you are moved or you have just traveled to a different country and you want to go and use that country or region's Amazon. So to go and do that, all you need to do is go to the bottom of the app where you've got the Amazon navigation bar and tap on this icon of that person. This will take you sort of the account page or the profile page. Then head to the top right where you can see this flag icon, and that is the current region and country. Mine is United States. When I click that, it will load these settings, and what you can do is just tap on this country or region, and then you can see all of the country and regions available here. You can use any of them. I'm going for this Australia here, and then you can also change the language as well and the currency as well. After doing these things, you have to tap on this done and you are good to go. It will take you on the home page, and once you've changed your Amazon country, make sure you also change your Amazon delivery address as well, because otherwise the delivery address will stay on the old country. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change country on Amazon app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.